This modern facility marks the crucial first stage of a large-scale cosmetic ingredient operation. Here, the raw materials are carefully received.
Every batch starts with careful washing, so only clean, mineral-rich material moves forward.
Pressure reading seems low on line 3. Can you check the valve?
Just adjusted it. We should be good now.
The powerful rinse removes loose residue before the material enters controlled heat processing.
It's remarkable how clean and sterile this entire process is. The material is now moving into the drying phase, ready for the next stage.
Check the pressure on line 3.
Reading stable. Initiating sterilization sequence.
Inside this sealed chamber, heat and pressure prepare the material for the next refining stage.
These massive drums are the heart of the operation, processing materials at extreme temperatures behind this safety glass.
Valve adjustment complete on the cooling pipe.
Confirmed. We are maintaining optimal temperature.
Controlled heat changes the structure, while sensors keep every part of the process stable. This rich color is blended slowly until the texture becomes smooth, stable, and even.
The next tray is ready for the intake valve.
Make sure the seal is tight.
Careful sorting helps each texture move to the right machine for consistent results.
Once the fragments are sized down, they are collected carefully for precision grinding.
Pressure stable.
Batch 47 is running clean.
Bin capacity at 60%.
Control, this is Sector 4, pressure holding steady at 2000 psi, confirming green across the board.
At this stage, heat-treated material is shaped under strict control before cooling begins.
Temperatures are stable. Batch 47 confirmed.
Ready for transfer to the cart.
Caliper reads 5.2. Weight is stable at 250 grams. Log the data and confirm sample ID 4B. Compression turns loose powder into uniform pellets that are easier to measure and transport.
Sample weight is exactly 5 grams.
Confirmed. I've updated the manifest.
Small samples are checked often, so every batch meets the same clean standard. The lab confirms purity and texture before the ingredient can move into cosmetic blending.
And here is the final confirmation. The batch data is fully approved.
That's wonderful to see.
Wax blocks are cut into smaller pieces so they can melt evenly in the mixing tanks.
Consistent cutting gives the wax a predictable melting time in the next stage.
So the temperature is critical at this stage, isn't it?
Yes, we monitor it closely to ensure the perfect consistency.
Golden oils are added in measured streams to build a smooth and nourishing cosmetic base.
The precision here is remarkable. Is the mixture stabilizing as expected?
Yes, the viscosity is perfect.
The powder disappears into the oils, turning the blend into a smooth, creamy foundation.
What looks like one simple fill is actually part of a connected system of pumps, sensors, and mixers. I'm selecting the speed, temperature, and blend time here. As you can see, the automated stirrer is increasing rotational velocity now.
Remarkable precision.
Measured oil gives the lipstick blend its creamy glide and smooth finish.
Batch 7 initialized, increasing mixer speed to 80.
Acknowledged. Green light on phase 2.
Even the nozzle temperature is controlled, so the formula keeps its perfect flow.
Small glass tests reveal how smoothly the formula spreads before it reaches production.
And that is time. The texture looks highly consistent. Let's record the final data point.
This concentrated pigment gives the lipstick its bold color before final blending begins.
Did you check the tablet?
Yes, the batch matches the requirement.
The color blooms through the base as the mixer builds a smooth, even shade. As the shade evens out, technicians watch the texture, temperature, and timing together.
The shine is excellent, very smooth. Check the thickness reading on the meter.
Reading at 1500 CPS, right within the target range.
A simple swatch shows whether the color, coverage, and glide are ready for approval.
Did you finalize the checklist for the pink batch?
Almost, just waiting on the printer.
Small batch adjustments help technicians fine-tune the exact shade before molding begins. Each molded piece is checked for shape, shine, and color before it reaches the casing line.
Batch complete. Ready for inspection.
A smooth swipe on glass helps reveal pigment strength and creamy payoff.
A second swipe shows how the color builds without losing its smooth finish.
From this massive blending vat, the mixture travels through these polished pipes into the automated filling system.
This final large batch mix keeps the shade smooth before the formula reaches the filling line. The filling line turns finished formula into individual lipstick units with exact volume control. Once filled and capped, the lipsticks move in perfect rows toward cooling and final shaping.
Mist distribution seems even on lane 3.
Confirmed. The cooling profile looks good.
Cooling locks the shape in place before the lipstick can be trimmed and polished.
The rapid cooling stabilizes the product perfectly, as you can see by the consistent temperature reading.
Tiny trimming passes create the clean edge customers expect from a premium lipstick. The finished shades now travel together, each one checked for color, shape, and shine. Robotic placement keeps every lipstick aligned before the final finishing checks begin.
Check the count on lane 3. Looks good, steady at 500 per minute.
This station checks alignment and shape before each product moves deeper into finishing. Repeated precision makes every lipstick look consistent, from the first unit to the last. After heat finishing, the surface becomes smoother, cleaner, and ready for inspection. One finished unit,
carries the work of every careful step before it. Under magnification, inspectors confirm the surface is smooth, even, and ready to ship.
The final refining pass gives each lipstick one last clean, consistent finish.
Once the bullet is seated, the lipstick begins its journey through final assembly. Laser engraving adds a clean identity mark while the case stays perfectly aligned. Every case receives traceable batch information before it leaves the production floor. Sorted caps arrive in perfect order, so the capping robot can work without interruption. Sensors check every finished tube before it can move into luxury packaging. Approved lipsticks now move from production into the premium packaging line.
Luxury packaging begins with careful robotic handling, so every box stays clean and perfectly aligned.
Automated folding protects each lipstick while preserving the clean luxury look of the box. The heated tunnel tightens the wrap, giving each box a clean, protective finish. Finished boxes are packed carefully, so the product reaches stores in perfect condition. The labeler repeats the same exact placement, so every package looks consistent on the shelf. Weight checks confirm that each package contains the complete product before shipping.
As you can see, the synchronization here is absolutely flawless. Every single luxury box is precisely... From here, sealed cartons are stacked into stable pallets for warehouse storage and delivery. The stretch wrap locks the cartons together so the finished product stays secure in transit.
With the wrapping complete, the forklift takes over, moving the goods from the production line directly into these massive distribution racks.
After production, the finished pallets are stored safely until they are sent out for delivery. That flawless tip is the result of careful shaping, polishing, inspection, and packaging.
The final test is simple. The product must look beautiful, feel smooth, and perform consistently.
From raw ingredients to finished shades, every color follows the same controlled production path.
What began as controlled ingredients is now a finished cosmetic product ready for customers.
This is the complete journey of lipstick manufacturing, from careful processing to a finished product ready for the world.